Kathy. And this is BB, my dog. She is small.
Oh, she's not big. She's got a big dog too. But...
I do. And we just wanted to kind of share with you, she can't get her eyes off of what we have down here because she loves our Thrive food. This is some of our small beef dices. They're just little pieces. I like it for her because they are just small enough. But seriously, I just give them to them dry. And this is better than dog treats. I find they just love them. The cheese, the meat, the vegetables, they'll eat anything. But we just wanted to, and watch her like choke on it. But I just wanted to show you that these are just the small pieces and they're great for dog treats. So just know that we can eat them. Like I will eat them. Well, I don't want to lick one of the
I didn't have her touch that.
Well,
I put it in my hand. So
okay, well, I'm not one that will lick my dog's mouth. I think that's gross. But here's one just to show you that I will eat it. And it's just dry meat. Or she will eat it.
But some people also like to give the vegetables, the freeze-dried vegetables to their dog as well. So you can mix it up if they like it in a wet form, but you can also just give it to them in a dry form and just give them water. So that's amazing.
A great dry treat. And actually you can buy little pouches of the cheese or the meat for dogs. And it's like called moon cheese or like freeze-dried meat as dog snacks. So buy it in a can and give it to them as a little treat. It's a simple, okay, when she eats too much, then she's like, oh. She will. That's her fault if she chokes. But it's simple, it's clean food for not only us, but for our dogs too.
We don't want her to go, All right, so
remember to
share,
like, and follow.